How to withdraw your application from Accenture company. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. While there is no such direct option to withdraw an application from Accenture, here is a process to do it through My Workday Jobs. For this, first of all, open any of your preferred browser and go to Accenture's My Workday Jobs portal instead of the main Accenture website, as the latter may redirect or have issues. So now you have to create an account if you already haven't created one. For this, tap on Sign In button if you already have created an account. Once you have done so, instead of using the Search Career button on Accenture's main page, which may redirect you, remove the SL user OHM from the URL and manually search for the job ID. Once you have searched for the job ID in My Workday Jobs, you can manage your application, including making new application and withdrawing the previous ones. So this is the process by which you can withdraw an application from it. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.